Have you ever entered someone's home and immediately felt a sense of comfort, cleanliness, and organization? It's almost as if their home was always immaculate, yet they didn't seem to spend hours scrubbing, tidying, or organizing every day. The secret to a consistently clean home isn't about exhausting deep cleaning sessions or complicated routines. For seniors with spotless homes, it's about following a few simple daily habits that keep their living spaces effortlessly organized. These habits might seem small, but they make a huge difference over time, ensuring that clutter never takes over and that the house always feels inviting and peaceful. What's even better is that these habits don't require much time or energy. They simply need to become part of your routine. By the end of this video, you'll learn 6 key daily habits that seniors with effortlessly clean homes swear by. These small yet intentional actions can transform your home into a welcoming space, all while minimizing the time and effort you put into keeping it clean. Stay with me until the end, because I'll be sharing one simple, often overlooked habit that can instantly change how tidy and peaceful your home feels without any extra work. Let's dive into these habits and see how you can apply them to your own life for a more organized, clutter-free, and relaxing home. Number 1. They never leave a room empty-handed. One of the most effortless habits that keep a home feeling tidy isn't about scrubbing floors or dusting shelves. It's about taking small actions as you move through your day. Seniors with consistently clean homes follow a simple rule: never leave a room empty-handed. It might sound simple, but this habit can have a huge impact on keeping your house organized and clutter-free. Imagine this. You're sitting in the living room enjoying a cup of tea. Once you finish, instead of leaving the mug on the coffee table or couch, you take it with you as you leave the room. Perhaps you're heading to the kitchen, so you bring the cup to the sink. Or maybe you're going to the bedroom, so you place that magazine back on the shelf. This small action of picking up as you go ensures that clutter never gets a chance to build up. It keeps things moving and organized without overwhelming effort. For Alice, a 72-year-old woman, this habit has been crucial in maintaining her spotless home. She says, "I just put things away as I go." By staying mindful and cleaning up the little messes right when they happen, Alice avoids setting aside large blocks of time for cleaning at the end of the day. This habit is particularly helpful for seniors as it reduces the need for long, tiring cleaning sessions. It's all about managing messes before they even have a chance to accumulate, giving a sense of control and comfort in your home. Number 2. They follow the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is a simple but powerful habit that keeps things tidy without effort. Seniors with clean homes understand that small tasks, when done immediately, prevent bigger messes from forming later. If a task can be done in 2 minutes or less, they do it right away. Take this example. You walk into your house, toss your coat on the back of a chair, and leave your shoes by the door. A few moments later, the mail piles up on the counter and dishes begin to gather in the sink. While it may not seem like a big deal at first, all these small actions can lead to clutter, which then requires more time to clean up. However, seniors who practice the 2-minute rule don't let small tasks accumulate. They hang up their coats immediately, toss junk mail into recycling, and wipe down surfaces as soon as they're done using them. For Frank, 75, this rule helps him avoid clutter and keep his home in a constant state of cleanliness. Instead of setting aside hours for a deep cleaning session, Frank handles small messes the moment they arise. These quick actions prevent messes from piling up and reduce the mental burden of unfinished tasks. It's simple. By handling everything immediately, you ensure that your home stays neat with very little effort. You don't have to wait for the mess to become overwhelming. You handle it in real time, which makes maintaining a clean house feel almost effortless. Number 3, they reset their home before bed. Seniors with spotless homes don't wake up to a chaotic or messy environment. Instead, they follow a simple habit, resetting their space before bed. This quick nightly ritual helps ensure that they wake up to a clean kitchen, a tidy living room, and a welcoming home. Picture how much smoother your morning would feel if you woke up to a clutter-free kitchen and living area. You'd be able to start your day with a sense of calm and order, rather than feeling overwhelmed by the mess left from the previous day. Linda, 68, has adopted this habit and spends just 5 to 10 minutes each evening walking through her home, straightening up and putting things back in their place. She wipes down counters, puts away stray items, and makes sure that everything is ready for the morning. When she wakes up, everything is already in its place, creating a sense of peace and control. This nightly reset doesn't involve deep cleaning. It's simply about preparing your home for the next day. The habit helps her avoid waking up to an untidy space, setting the tone for a more relaxed and organized morning. Number 4. They keep their most used spaces clutter-free. Seniors with clean homes understand that not every area of the house needs to be pristine, but the key spaces that are used most often must be kept clear and organized. These areas, such as the kitchen, living room, and entryway, set the tone for the entire home. When these high-traffic spaces are tidy, the whole house feels cleaner, even if some areas are left with a bit of clutter. Barbara, 74, focuses on keeping the kitchen counters clean, her living room surfaces clear, and the main areas organized. She doesn't spend time organizing every drawer or cleaning every corner of her home. Instead, she makes sure that the spaces she uses most are consistently neat. By doing so, she ensures that her home always feels put together, without getting bogged down by perfectionism. It's a simple shift in focus that makes cleaning feel more manageable and reduces stress. This habit also provides a sense of order, which has a calming effect and makes the home feel more inviting. Number 5. They embrace daily maintenance, not deep cleaning. Instead of spending hours on deep cleaning, seniors with tidy homes embrace the concept of daily maintenance. They tackle small tasks regularly, which prevents their homes from becoming overwhelmingly messy in the first place. Simple habits like wiping down surfaces after meals, folding laundry as soon as it's done, and sweeping the floor every day keep clutter under control. Jane, 68, practices daily maintenance by spending just 15 minutes each evening tidying up her kitchen and living room. She puts away dishes, straightens cushions, and quickly sweeps the floors. These small efforts prevent bigger messes from forming, which means Jane never has to dedicate an entire weekend to deep cleaning. Daily maintenance ensures that her home stays in excellent condition without requiring a large time commitment. It's about setting aside a little time each day to care for the space, which prevents stress and keeps everything under control. Number 6. They involve the whole household. Keeping a clean home isn't just the responsibility of one person, it's a team effort. Seniors with spotless homes often involve everyone in the household, whether it's a spouse, children, or roommates, in the process of maintaining cleanliness. By making everyone responsible for tidying up, the workload is shared, making it easier to keep the home organized and clean. George, 75, shares his home with his wife and grown children. Every evening, the family spends just 10 minutes cleaning together. They put away items, wipe down surfaces, and ensure the living areas are organized. This shared responsibility lightens the load for everyone and creates a sense of ownership and pride in the home. When everyone contributes to maintaining a clean space, it feels less like a chore and more like a collective effort to create a peaceful, happy home. Maintaining a clean home doesn't require complicated routines or endless hours of effort. The secret lies in small, daily habits that, when practiced consistently, keep your living space tidy and organized. These habits, such as never leaving a room empty-handed, following the 2-minute rule, resetting before bed, and involving the entire household, are simple but impactful ways to ensure that your home always feels clean and welcoming. By focusing on daily maintenance rather than deep cleaning, you can prevent clutter from building up, reduce stress, and enjoy a peaceful, organized home without feeling overwhelmed. The beauty of these habits is that they don't require a huge time commitment. A few minutes each day can make all the difference, creating an environment that feels controlled, calm, and peaceful. It's about taking care of the little messes before they turn into bigger tasks. Involving others in the process makes it even easier, turning cleaning into a shared responsibility rather than a burden. If you've already incorporated some of these habits into your routine, or if you're planning to give them a try, I'd love to hear about it. Share your thoughts or let me know which habit you plan to implement in your home. The power of consistency and small actions cannot be overstated, and these habits will not only keep your home looking great, but also help you feel more relaxed and in control of your space. Whether you're trying to maintain your own space or get your whole household involved, these simple habits will make keeping your home spotless feel effortless and stress-free.